Good morning, children. So, how are you all? I want to meet you all. I'll be coming in your meeting one day with your class teacher. બધા મળો છો ને હું બી આવીશ મને જોવા જ I want to see my children. નથી ગમતું હવે છોકરાઓ વગર ઓકે Now see children, we are continuing our lesson number 1. We had done 2 pages and now today I am going to do page number 9 and 10 and I'll see how much I can do more. Now see that there was a king who wanted to find his answers to 3 questions. હવે જોજો શું કહે છે? Yeah. Now the king went to a hermit. સાધુ પાસે જાય છે, સંત પાસે. He wanted to find out his answers. As the king came near the hermit's hut, he saw the hermit digging, ખોદતો હતો, the ground in front of his hut. He greeted the king and continued digging. He greeted, hello, kem cho, aavo karine, he started doing his work. The hermit was old, very old and weak. And as he worked, he breathed heavily. And mota mota swas leche because he is old and then also he was working. The king went up to the hermit and said, I have come to you, wise man, wise hermit, to ask you to answer 3 questions. I want you to answer 3 questions. How can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? First question. Who are the people I need most? The king is asking the hermit. This is the hermit, a king. The king has changed his clothes, no? He has gone in disguise. Yeah. Then, and what affairs are the most important? That means what things are important in the business. The hermit listened to the king, he is listening, but did not speak. He went on digging. You are tired, said the king. King is saying, you are tired. Let me take the spade and work in your place. Let me work in your place. Thanks, said the hermit, giving the king his spade. He is giving the spade to the king. Okay? Then he sat down on the ground. Turn, children. Page 10. Now, when the king had dug 2 beds, beds એટલે ક્યારા. ક્યારા એટલે જેના અંદર આપણે ફૂલ ને બધું ઉગાવીએ ને, that. He stopped and repeated his questions. Again he is stopping. Again he is repeating his questions. The hermit gave no answer. Hermit gave no answer. But stood up, stretching out his hand for the spade. He can say, give me the spade. And said, now you rest and let me work. Now you rest, I'll work. So, but the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. 1 hour passed, then another. The sun went down behind the trees. And at last the king struck the spade into the ground and said, I came to you, wise men, for an answer to my questions. If you can give me no answer, tell me so, and I will return home. Here comes someone running, said the hermit. Hermit is telling somebody is coming, running here. Now children, these answers I'll give you, but let me continue. We can complete. No, I can't complete. The king turned round and saw a bearded man, દાઢીવાળો માણસ, okay, running towards them. His hands were pressed against his stomach, પેટ પર હાથ છે, from which blood was flowing. When he reached the king, he fainted and fell to the ground. He fainted and he fell to the ground. The king and the hermit removed the man's clothing, એના કપડા કાઢે છે, and found a large wound in his stomach. In his stomach માં મોટો ઘા હોય છે. The king washed and covered it with his handkerchief, but the blood would not stop flowing. The king redressed, એટલે ફરીથી એના ઉપર ડ્રેસિંગ કરે છે, the wound until at last the bleeding stopped. The man felt better and asked for something to drink. The man is feeling good. I want something to drink. The king brought fresh water and gave it to him. By this time the sun had set and the air was cool. The king, with the hermit's help, carried the wounded man into the hut. એને હટમાં લઈ જાય છે કે carried him, and laid him on the bed. The man closed his eyes and lay quietly the man is sleeping. The king, tired by his walk and the work he had done, lay down on the floor and slept through the night. King also slept on the floor. When he awoke, it was several minutes before he could remember. When he awoke, he is thinking, oh, where am I? Kya chu? Where he was, or who the strange bearded man lying on the bed was. Okay, children, till here I am completing. Okay, next 2 pages I will be doing in my next period. Okay, bye children. Meet you in the next period. Preach. Alright. Chalo.